Cuyahoga County in north details. Those in the mid until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Willowick, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 50 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Paintsville, Willowick, Sherton, Fairport Harbor, Euclid, Mentor, Willoughby, Eastlake, Perry, Timberlake, Lakeline, South Euclid, Lempers, Wickliffe, Richmond Heights, Willoughby Hills, Highland Heights, Mentor on the Lake, and Kirtland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Lake.